Good morning, students. I am Assistant Professor Jasprit Kaur from GN College of Education. Today I will teach you pronouns. So first of all, we will discuss meaning of a pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used at the name of a noun, which is used at the name of a noun. Like example, Rahul is a boy. When we have to remove Rahul, we here write he. He is a boy, and he here is a pronoun. We use it here at the name of a boy. So he is a pronoun. So list of pronouns are he, she, it, they, them, we, I, my, our, etc. So there are lots of pronouns we use, and I tell you that for masculine means male members, we write he, and for feminine noun, that is female, we write she, and for animals and non-living things, we write it. It for non-living things and animals. So pronoun is a word that we use at the place of a noun. When we are talking about a feminine noun, then we use she, and when we talk about a masculine noun, then we use he. Like here, Rahul is a masculine, is a male member, and so we write here he. So there are lots of pronouns, and we will discuss the types of pronoun. First is the personal pronoun. Before introducing with the personal pronoun, I first of all tell you about a first person, second person, third person. First person, like I am telling you something, here I am first person. When someone also stand by me and we are both telling you and dictate you something, then we are both first person. So first person divided into two parts, singular and plural. Singular, I, my, me, and plural, we, our. And second person, I am telling you something. You is the second person. Here singular and plural both are you. Like I have a class of 5 students, else I have a class of 1 student or 50 students, all are you. And the third person, when the second person dictates the same thing to her friend or her family members, that is the third person, singular and plural. When you dictate this thing to masculine feminine noun, then you use he and she for feminine and it for the animal. So third person singular, he, she, it, and plural are they, them. When you are telling all the things to your family members or your friend group, they are plural. Personal pronoun is divided into two parts, subject pronoun and object pronoun. Subject pronoun is that pronoun, here subject is a pronoun, like I play football. Object pronoun is a pronoun where object is a pronoun, like ask him questions. Here object is him. Subject pronouns are I, he, she, it, and object pronouns are me, him, her, our. So personal pronoun is divided into two parts, subject pronoun, object pronoun. Subject pronoun is a A pronoun is a subject. So you have to know what is subject. Subject is a which perform a action, and object which obtain something from the others. So second is the relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is a pronoun that relate one sentence to other sentence. Means correlate two sentences. Those are the relative pronoun. Example: it was a time when I was so happy. Here, when I is a relative pronoun, because when relate one sentence to another, and I here is a pronoun, so this is called a relative pronoun. And the third one is the possessive pronoun. Possessive means we have a possession over the thing which belongs to me or someone else. Like I have a chalk. So example, possessive pronoun: mine, yours, his, her. So here I write example: this chalk is mine. This chalk is mine. So mine is the possessive pronoun because chalk belongs to me. I have a possession over a chalk. So this chalk is mine. And the fourth is the reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns means I correlate something to the subject. Like example, here are the words myself, himself, herself, etc. are the reflexive pronouns. Example: I have painted this house myself. I have painted this house myself. So here myself belongs to I. It reflects the I is a pronoun. So that is the reflexive pronoun, means which reflect the subject. So where I is written, we write myself. Where he is written, we write himself. Where she is written, herself. And for we, ourselves. And for they, themselves. And for they, themselves. So reflexive pronoun is that pronoun which reflect the subject. Next is the interrogative pronoun. When we use question words for asking a question, that are called interrogative pronouns or question pronouns, like a word who, whose, what, whom. Example: whose pen is this? Whose marker is this? Is the example of a interrogative pronoun. I am asking a question here. Then next is an indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun where we do not mention someone, particularly person name or particular animal name or a place name. So here are the words like someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, something, etc. These are the words which are indefinite pronouns. So example here is anybody could have done that. So here no mention of a person, place or a thing. Next is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun describes which thing belongs to you and we specify the thing. Like this is a blackboard and here this is a whiteboard. These are the specific things. And this is a marker. So this is specify the things. So here example is this is a marker or this is a pen. Next is reciprocal pronoun. This pronoun describes the mutual relationship between persons. When we describe a relationship between two persons, we write each other. And when we describe a relationship between more than two persons, we write here one another. For example, all the three partners trust one another. Here the person partners are more than two, so we write here one another. So pronoun is a word that describes the noun. So here we all explain the types of a pronoun, and questions from ptet exam comes from the pronoun section is like sometimes you are asking which pronoun is this, like I write here a sentence. This is a classroom. And you are asking a question, which type of pronoun is this? This is a demonstrative pronoun. This is a, so answer is here demonstrative, because it describes the specific thing. Specific thing is a classroom. So answer is demonstrative. And sometimes you have to write, fill up with the pronoun, like is walking with me. Here he is walking with me. Like you have come across with the fill-ups and type of a pronoun. Sometimes you have to define which is the first person or which is the second person or third person. Like here, I have done my work. Here, which is the first person? I and my. I and my are the first person. So this belongs to which type of a pronoun? Personal pronoun. And from the personal pronoun, for which type of pronoun? It is subject pronoun. This one is the subject pronoun and this one is object. So total this is called personal pronoun. So this type of questions are asked you in the exam, and sometimes you are asking here the list of words are given to you, which is a pronoun. Mostly students are unaware of the words like someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, something. These are also pronouns. They are only known to he, she, it, but they don't know these are also pronouns, and sometimes they don't know himself, herself, they, themselves, ourselves. All these are pronouns like question words, whose, each other, one another. All the list of pronouns you have to know. Sometimes you are asked a question like this. Words are given to you like, here I write this, that, even, and him. Here all these three words are, this one is odd one out. Sometimes you are asking question, circle the odd one out. When you know the list of pronouns, then you can identify which is odd one out. Here even is a odd one out. Even is the odd one out, and sometimes you have to circle the correct pronoun from list, like each other, tomorrow, right, was. Here each other is a pronoun. When you come across with the list of pronouns and types of pronouns, then you can understand which type of question is asking from you, and you can able to reply like this. So this is all about a pronoun. We discussed meaning of a pronoun, list of pronouns, types of pronouns, first person, second person and third persons, and with the example. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.